What's up, guys? Back with another video. Hope you guys enjoyed that little montage in the beginning, the mailbox clip. I thought about that myself, thought it'd be pretty cool. But today I got some Grimspeed stuff. Grimspeed, this is an adapter. So I got an exhaust for my car. It's gonna be the title of the video. I got a Tomei exhaust, catback only. I'm gonna leave the stock downpipe. So for that meaning, from a stock downpipe, those of you that don't know, it's a 2.5-inch pipe, and then the Tomei is a 3-inch catback. So it doesn't bolt up like very nice. It's gonna have a leak. So really, if you want to, you can bolt it up, but you're not supposed to do that. That's the improper way. So I got this little adapter for 40 bucks on Grimspeed, and this is gonna make it seal really nice together. So that's a 2.5 to the 3-inch adapter, and it goes in between the downpipe and the catback. So it's gonna be perfect. I don't really see a lot of STIs, I was gonna say cars, but STIs with just the catback Tomei. A lot of people run with the downpipe, so I wonder how it's gonna sound. I looked up a couple videos, I found a few, so I'm excited. It's gonna sound nice, I think, because a lot of people complain about Tomeis being too loud, which they get really loud because of the titanium, with the downpipe especially. But since I have the stock downpipe, it shouldn't be that loud and obnoxious. It's gonna be a nice Subi rumble, which is exactly what I want. All right, this right here is the mid pipe. Beautiful welds. Got the 2 springs down here. Let's see if you guys could see. Yeah, there you go. Look at those welds. Beautiful. Same thing here. Amazing welds. The highest quality exhaust. Best exhaust. Hands down. Full titanium, if you guys don't know. This thing is crazy light. I could hold it with one finger, but it won't be balanced. But like, it's maybe 5 pounds. Maybe. And that's just the mid pipe. When you're at the Tomei dog. Is that a Tomei dog? Yes, sir. Here's the Tomei. Beautiful quality. Can't get enough of it. Let's see if I can get you guys a good angle. Peep those welds. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna wipe it off, of course, because why not? Beautiful. So a Tomei dog? Beautiful quality. Can't get enough of looking at this. Amazing. Love this. Full titanium. So excited for this to go on the beast. Let me back up a little bit for you guys. All right. So this is my Tomei. But yeah, a little overwhelmed right now. Is that a Tomei dog? But yeah, I'll see you guys at my buddy's shop. I'm gonna make a little montage for you guys and show you as much as I can installing the Tomei, taking off the stock exhaust, and I hope you guys enjoy this little video. And yeah, is that a Tomei dog? Comment down below, actually. If you comment down below right now, stop the video, say, is that a Tomei dog? Right now in the comments. I'm waiting. Alright, thanks for commenting down. Is that a Tomei dog? So see you at my friend's shop in a couple seconds.
Oh, you don't have to, Nick. I just figured it may.
Yeah, these are just nothing. There you go. Got it? Is that just a resonator on there, or is that?
And that one fits in there.
threads.
Well, it's alright. As long as it's the main part of leaking here anyway a little bit.
Yeah, that's true.
And he's gonna probably have to take it apart anyway. Yeah.
It's as tight as I'm.
Okay.
Sounds sick.
Yeah.
First time for me to hear it. Sounds unbelievable.
Go and get gas at Sunoco. Get some inside of the car clips and maybe some outside clips later, possibly.
I'll grab him some clips while I was driving.
Yeah, this will be some cool clips. Sounds amazing. Just catback, Tomei catback, and I had that adapter that I showed you earlier in the video. So no downpipe. And it's loud. It's a perfect volume that I wanted, just like that. Perfect.
Puts my car to shame. No cap.
Yeah, I like that Q300 by NVIDIA.
Can't hear it. Can't hear it.
Weird.
Do you love this?
This is my favorite.
Wow. All right, we're gonna go get some gas. I'm gonna hear this thing for the first time. Nick's driving my car, so I'll be able to see that thing move.
Yeah, you never saw your car move.
Yeah.
And maybe Nick will get a video of this car drive so we can hear it on the outside.
I'll get you guys some video.
Heard that.
Guys, I gotta admit, it sounds absolutely insane. I didn't expect it to be like that good. There's zero rasp. It's just straight up boxer noise. It sounds amazing. It's nuts. It sounds so good.
Perfect sound. Exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I wanted. We're gonna make a POV video down the road. Not down the road, soon. Make a POV video for you guys to hear in case you're wondering what just a Tomei catback sounds like. Because not a lot of people run that. A lot of people have downpipes or something. So you guys will find out how it sounds. I love it.
Alright, we are now at Sunoco filling up the cars. It's lit. Got the gas station lighting.
New Jersey life, gotta wait for the gas intensity.
Yeah, you guys don't know, but gas station lighting, you know, it's always the best. So if you guys ever want to take pictures at night, V6 Durango, we love that.
It's a V6 Durango.
Let's check out the Tomei. Sheesh, is that a Tomei, dog? Man, you guys just have no idea the quality of this though. Just the welds and everything, it's just so clean. It's nuts. And the sound is like nothing else.
Yeah, it's something different. Different than NVIDIA.
Coming from the stock exhaust too, it actually, I feel more, a little bit more like torquey.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's cool,
different.
yeah.
A little difference.
Yeah.
Driving wise, it makes it easier because you hear the throttle, how much gas you're giving it to rev match, to get started, since I'm a new driver. I'm good. Can I get 30? You gotta wash your car. What the? You gotta wash your car. I like that. That's clean. That's real clean. Damn, alright.
I like that.
First time seeing your car roll.
Yeah.